I'm going to show you how to put a ribbon around a cake board that you've covered in sugar paste. I've got a separate video which I showed you how to cover this very cake board in this blue sugar paste. So you can look that up on my YouTube channel, Bessie's Bakery. So all you need for this is double-sided tape, which you can get for £1 or less from Hobbycraft or any craft shop. Some ribbon to cover a thick cake board like this. This is a standard kind of 10-inch cake board. I would say get 15mm width ribbon because it's enough to kind of cover the cake board and also the icing that you've put on. You need about 1 metre for most cake boards, unless obviously you're doing a really big cake and you've got a 15 to 20-inch cake board, but this is a 10-inch. And 1 metre is more than enough to go round the whole circumference. And this is really my favourite part of making any cake for a customer because I love the satisfaction of putting a ribbon on at the end and making it all nice after all your hard work. It's quite good. And it's nice to pick the colours as well, so you can pick, so you've got a peach colour here and a cream colour here for the bow. So you can pick, you know, certain colours out of the cake that would look good and kind of bring it all together at the end. And obviously also you need some sharp scissors to cut your ribbon and your tape. So you get your tape and you just simply place it on the board. Doesn't matter if it touches the icing, that's fine. And then just keep going round, just move the turntable round and cover it in the tape. Very easy. And that's it until you get back to where you started, and then you just cut it off. So then just make sure it's all flat on the cake board, and then you can peel off. And you're left with the lovely sticky tape, double-sided tape. Does what it says on the tin. So then you get your ribbon. As I say, you only need 1 metre for a board this size, and you just pop it there. Don't worry about the join looking messy because we're going to put a nice bow on that. And then you just go round. You can put it away and straighten it up as you go so that you're covering the board and the icing and it looks neat. Back to the start. So like before, just smooth it all down and chop your ribbon off. Leave a bit of overlap so it looks neat, so it kind of looks seamless. Because where you've got the join here, this is where you're going to put your bow to cover it up. I've chosen cream for this bow, and that kind of 1/4 metre is long enough to do a bow. And just chop a bit off for the middle because you'll put a bit of the bow across the middle at the end. You'll see what I mean. Get a bit of sticky, just cut a square of sticky back tape off, so you only need literally like that much, tiny little square, and pop it in the middle of the ribbon, and then peel off the paper, and then you've got your little sticky bit there. So then you can get the 2 ends and fold them in and stick them in the middle like this. So then it's stuck like that. Do you see? So then the little bit that you've cut off at the start is to go around the centre like this. So you're just gonna, it's gonna look like a proper ribbon. So you just get another tiny square of sticky back tape, double-sided tape, and stick it in the middle where they join, where the 2 bits of ribbon meet, take off the paper and then put the ribbon in the middle like that, and you can pop one side down onto the sticky back tape like so. So then you're left with that. So then you need to put another bit of sticky back tape on top of the bit you've just stuck down so that you can stick this bit up. So you just cut another tiny square, stick that on and peel off the paper. Bit fiddly. And then you can just pop that bit up like so, and just chop off any frayed bits so it looks neat at the front, like that. So that's your little bow. And then you get a square of sticky back tape. This is your best friend in this process. It's the double-sided tape. And stick it on the join, which is just here. So just pop that on there, like that. And then just peel that off. You can stick your bow right over the middle of it. So as I said, we've got a video on my Bessie's Bakery YouTube channel that shows you how to cover this board in icing, so you can look that up. And now you also know how to cover your board in a lovely peach or whatever colour you would like ribbon, and how to make a delightful little bow to make it look all pretty and nice at the end. So I hope you enjoyed that. And there's also a video on my channel of how to actually cover a cake. So you can put a cake on this board and it's not just a board covered in sugar paste. In the next few weeks I'm going to be putting up a video to show you how to make one of these lovely cupcake bouquets. If you can see. So we're going to make a medium one, which is between 10 and 12 cupcakes, and I'll show you how to ice them with buttercream so that they have a flower effect. So you've got kind of a hydrangea one there, and then a rose effect on the pink and the cream one, if you can see, and then also how to wrap it in cellophane with a nice ribbon so it looks presentable and you can travel somewhere with it. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.